Hey everyone, welcome to Copy.ai. So what's this AI tool all about? This AI tool has many uses, but mainly it helps us write professionally with artificial intelligence. Got it? It's tailored for social media content. What can you use it for? Well, you can create SEO blogs, video descriptions, e-commerce product details, course outlines, and even module breakdowns. This tool focuses on writing content aimed at selling products. It also aims to engage the reader. Unlike ChatGPT, it won't overwhelm you with info. It's designed to be readable and attractive. Here they show us the use cases where they teach us about prospects, right? The ability to attract prospects, process leads, do coaching, okay? And here we have content creation, got it? We click get demo to access content creation and it says get a copy.ai demo, okay? You enter your email, first name, last name, and they should give you the demo. Not sure if they give it right away. I'll try it out. They're welcoming me now, see? And that's it. We're in copy.ai, alright? We're now inside the tool. Honestly, I ended up selecting copy.ai and clicking login instead of get a demo, which asked for a work email and wouldn't accept gmail.com for some reason. So anyway, we're in copy.ai and can start using the tool. Alright, let's see how copy.ai works, okay? Copy.ai has various functions like workflows and chats, right? And more. So let's click on create new, okay? As you can see, we can create folders to organize content. We can create workflows and chats, alright? Let's create workflows, which is probably what we're most interested in. It says, start creating your workspace from scratch or describe your desired workflow, okay? Right here. It suggests, for example, scraping a URL to extract info and create value propositions for the company. And then it also suggests getting a LinkedIn profile URL to create a summary paragraph. Now, what I'm going to do is ask it to given a YouTube video link, okay? From a YouTube video, get the transcript and create an SEO article about it, okay? I'm going to hit enter. Let's see what it does, okay? Theoretically, this AI should process the input. This is where AI comes in, as workflows don't typically require AI. Let's see if it works, okay? If it does, I'll go find a video. It says, success! Your workflow is now being checked and debugged. Let's see what happens, huh? Great. Here's the workflow. We have the input, which I assume is the video link, then the transcription. We'll have key point extraction and SEO article writing. Let's hit test. Okay, we'll input the video, alright? In this case, it's a video about, well, this is our video from the Bitwarden channel or the Spanish channel. Basically, Bitwarden allows us to store our passwords securely, right? Instead of having to do it physically, you know? This would be a complete guide on, well, it's not really a complete guide. Let's go for the full guide instead, okay? And that's totally SEO friendly, isn't it? It's a tutorial and nothing's more SEO than that. So we hit run to start the workflow and we'll see how long it takes. It's 5:53 p.m. on a Saturday. Like, if you appreciate weekend work, I hope you value this effort. Let's see how long it takes, shall we? Looks like it'll take a while. For now, it's just extracting the URL. Let's see. Well, I waited 10 minutes. No big deal. They're not giving me any feedback that this is working. They don't tell me where it's going, so I have no choice but to stop it. Well, I'm going to try creating another workflow, but it's not looking very promising. Okay, let's try the company one and see if this one works better. And well, it seems that the workflow for the company at least appears to be working for us, right? It's something at least. Look, if you're trying to create a workflow and it doesn't work, you might have to do it manually, okay? With manual inputs, got it? Where we can also do CRM automations, but with manual inputs, then send this action, okay? Because we'll need to generate an action, but it doesn't change much, does it? Scraping a web page, well, there's not much more to consider, because if I click scrape, it just lets me put the link, right? I mean, it's not like, yeah, there's not much to configure, honestly. Alright, how do copy.ai chats work? We click create new, then chat, and what we're doing here is getting a welcome from copy.ai, and it's performing a real-time search, okay? Let's say, summarize this, alright? A long-form content, create a blog post about search engine optimization. So, for example, create an SEO-optimized blog post about, I'll input this Bitwarden video, okay? It's a tool that lets us securely store our passwords online. Here we can choose which one we want. As you see, it only offers 3.5. Let's see what it does, shall we? We send it and, it says it can't scan the YouTube video. Yeah, I've run into this issue with workflows before. For some reason, copy.ai can't extract info from YouTube videos. So let's go to the video directly. Well, since it's my video, since this is our video, we'll grab the transcript and copy it. I'm showing you some tricks here, okay? Let's copy the transcript and send it over. See if this time... Wow! Now it says our input is 4,000 characters and 1,200 words. Too long. Oh boy. Geez, copy.ai. Bit annoying, isn't it? Create a SEO optimized about. I'll put Bitwarden, but what's the point if you're giving all the content? The fun part is making it personalized, right? I think it's gonna be, well, at least it's optimized. Well, not too much. Well, yeah, the titles are good, okay? Bitwarden, why choose Bitwarden? That might not be my first choice for a title, but it worked. Key features of Bitwarden, and there we have well-structured headers. Alright, how to get started with Bitwarden is a great header. I also spotted Bitwarden pricing plans, another solid header, right? Well, it's a decent post, isn't it? I'm not saying it's bad, but it's a bit too limited, don't you think? Too limited, really. Not sure if it's due to the free trial or what, but still. So, yeah, that's how these chat things work.